Hi everyone, my name is Stephen Milton, and this is my B250 business creation project. The name of my company is called Books, Movies, Music, and Things. And the concept of the company was to sell products that I have laying around the house that I've collected over the years. So this picture here on the front, that's the background, is actually the picture of my library. So these are my books. Over here is my DVD or my CDs, and here's my VHS tapes and DVDs that I would be trying to sell. The platform I used for this was Shopify, which is really built for selling products, and that it works very well for that. You'll notice on the top I have my basic menu. So the home page takes a picture here where it shows a featured collection of your main products that you want to sell or you're trying to push immediately. You can sign up for a newsletter, all this other stuff as well at the bottom. I have the main catalog, which shows you all the products, and then you've got your different subcategories. So for just looking at the books, you can go and just look specifically at the books, or the movies, or the music. So all these things are organized very well. It's very easy to find. It's all clear and concise on where you're going to get the stuff. The links are all fully functional. If you click on it, it'll take you to it. If I actually added descriptions and things like that, I mean, you can go and highlight the individual stuff and see the more detail on the thing. It gives you a before and after price. You can go ahead and click on it. It's got the back to. It's got your shares if you want to share the stuff. I mean, it's really, Shopify does a very good job with helping you sell your product. So at this point, I can go and click it, add it to the cart, and then it shows the cart of what you currently have. I can go and continue shopping. And then we'll let's go ahead and pick this one. We'll add that to our cart. So it's really very nice. You'll notice we've got links to PayPal. We can go and update these things. I mean, it's very nice. So if we went and checked out, I mean, it's really tied to a credit card, so I don't want to actually do it, but it actually works. So that's nice. Put on all your information, all this good stuff. So it works very well. I did set up a couple ads to try to sell the products. The main one here was I did one campaign for it was the store opening campaign. And so you'll notice the number of clicks I got on it, the number of impressions, all the other information. I did not sell anything, which is good because I really don't want to sell anything. I like the stuff that I have, but if it was going to be a business, that would have been the way to go. You go and look at the ads. You can see that how they performed, which ones were good, which ones were not so good. I didn't even do the top one. That was a initial test, but it wasn't one I really did. So these are the two that I did. So they were fairly effective, and if I actually was trying to promote the things and had more products on the list, the page, it would have been a better experience as far as that goes. But overall, I really enjoyed the project. I think I did pretty well. I could have done more work on it, but I really wasn't trying to sell everything. I just wanted to set it up and see how the business would work and be able to go through all the exercises that are there. So I'm overall very happy with the way this worked, and one day I may actually do this stuff because I don't even have time to read anything anymore. But anyway, thank you for viewing my presentation, and I look forward to looking at yours.